Hey guys, what's up? This is Mohit Best from Fit India. So in this video, I'm gonna take you guys to grocery shopping with me, and we'll buy food, and you will have an idea that what kind of food you should have in your house if you want to live the fitness lifestyle, or you're looking to build muscles, get the body you want. So these are the basic food that you need at your home for this purpose. So let's go. I'm gonna go to a superstore, probably Easy Day, and we'll see you there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
No. No. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the...
So guys, I'm done with my grocery shopping, and I decided that I would tell you what I'm buying while actually buying it. But the people at Easy Day, the employees, they told me that you cannot make a video there. So I bought it, I recorded whatever I could. So now I'm done with my shopping, and I'm gonna show you what I bought, what are the basic staple food sources that you can buy if you're looking to, build muscles. So first I'll show you my protein sources. So the first one is eggs. Obviously, this I bought it for like 130 rupees, 30 eggs for 130 rupees. Second is chicken breast, it's for 70 rupees, 250 grams. And for the vegetarians, I have tofu, it is for 50 rupees. 200 grams for 50 rupees. I think it's cheap. So these three are my protein sources. Apart from this, I take whey protein shake, that's it. And for my carbohydrates, I have brown bread, I have macaroni, which is made from durum wheat semolina, that is suji, and it's a kind of slow digesting carbohydrate, but you know, it's not a regular thing for me. I just consume it like 2-3 times a week. And then I have oats. This is Quaker oats, and it's Tropicana juice is free with it, so I think it's a plus point. And another cheapest source of carbohydrate is bananas. 25 rupees for 6 bananas. I think it's great. This is my source of carbohydrates. Now I have one thing is left. I have potatoes. That is aloo. It's for like 25-30 rupees. And for my fats, I'm getting my fats from egg yolks. I have bought my eggs, and also I get my fats from olive oil, which I haven't purchased because I have like 2 bottles at my home, so I didn't purchase it. And another thing is peanut butter. I bought the small package because I've got a big half a kg pack at my home, so I bought the small package. So that's it. I spent like 500 rupees to buy all this, and I'm getting my protein, I'm getting my carbohydrates, I'm getting my fats from it. So that's it. That's my grocery shopping. These are the basic food that you guys need to have at your home if you're looking to build muscles or lose fat, whatever. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Keep lifting. This is Mohit from Fit India. Bye.